Tuesday, December 3rd, I think it is. These guys are not slowing down for nothing. Peter's already got all his axles on here, and he's got the wheels all lined up and cleaned. And he's got the solid rear tire ones for the back. He's got his bearings prepped and ready to go. He's got the castle nuts and the bearings already there, and the nose caps and the cotter pins. Everything's cleaned up on the bearings as well here. I mean on the axles. So yeah, quite a bit of difference here. So he's got 3 tires here and another 3 tires. So obviously one set of these tires is going on the other side, and they got miscellaneous bits and pieces going on here. And I think Dad's done with the steering for now, right there. You're done for the steering for now?
We're waiting for shocks.
Shocks, right. They need shocks. I think they ordered the wrong size, so they're getting the right size in. But they got the ski arms on already on both sides, and they got to put the shocks on. We got one spring here and the spring damper, and I think the other spring and spring dampers around here somewhere. I can't remember where. I think I saw it over here. There it is, right there. Yeah, so like Dad was just saying, can't do anything until he gets the shocks. But yeah, lots of progress going on here. Peter has been hard at it all day here, but we're going to move on to the other side here. And they've got the one big rear wheel tire assembled. Dogs are just having some mid-afternoon treats here. The axles are all on here, and Peter, I think, is just going around and greasing up all sides right now. And kind of giving the dusting and the grinding a bit here, because we have to change out the filter numerous times. Still waiting on the body and putty man to come back. We just had a huge dump of snow again last night, and so I'm gonna have to go out and plow the yard for a bit while these guys are working on this. But I think they're on what they're doing outside. They're gonna just stick in here and do whatever they can. And if Dad set up the one tire there, he's probably got some bearing work to do on the one tire, or all the 3 tires in there. But things are actually coming along. It's actually looking a lot cleaner and prettier in here. As stated, there's less dust and paint in the
Gonna push the old grease out.
Yeah.
I washed it inside, check the braces to see if they gotta be replaced.
Okay, that's on the tires, correct?
Yep, on the rim.
Okay. So on the rims, he means. Yeah. So yeah, and our differential guy is coming up tomorrow, but because of the high amount of snow on the ground, he may be delayed again. But he called Dad this morning, says he's showing up tomorrow.
I drilled out those for the exhaust pipes.
Right. Yes. So you can see those right there, nice and pretty for the exhaust pipe. Got big enough that now you can put a proper size exhaust in there. And is this the way to go? Start from scratch and build out?
Well,
either
are the main thing.
Yeah.
All those seals that are in there are all drilled so that when you grease them, you don't push the seal out.
Okay. Are these bogies ready to go, or do they have to be serviced yet?
I'm going to paint them, but I guess they'll paint them in place.
Okay. Well, but do you have to take them apart too? No, they're good. All good. Okay. Well, that's good, because that's a lot of work. You might have seen on a past video here where what was his name again? Perky took one of these apart and almost had his face removed. So we don't like taking them apart unless we have to. And yeah, so this is what these guys are up to here today. It's a busy day in the shop. Dogs are busy, lots of snow, and lots of company here this morning. If anybody wants to show up for a visit, you're more than welcome to show up for a visit. We're located in the Paw, Manitoba, and you can message me if you want to come out here and talk to Dad, get some advice. Advice is free. Really appreciate if you guys can comment on the videos though, because Dad likes comments. Always ask me every day, any comments, even if it's just like, yeah, we like this, that'll be great. And put that thumbs up, it helps with the algorithm for Dad. Dad is cruising in just short of 1,300 subscribers, and we'd like to be able to get him to over that 1,300 mark by Christmas. So we appreciate if you guys can subscribe to the channel if you've been watching the videos for a while. And yeah, so this is the 75, the Snow 75 rebuild, and they have been at this since November 7th. I believe it's the 3rd today, so almost a month they've been at this, and they've been actually getting along quite a bit. So that is our video for today, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.